एटलीस्ट सकाळीच जालें नाजाल्यार इट शूड बी ओके आनी हिंग पड जेवता ते मुखार आनी थिंग ब्लॉक जाता येस
सो तुका दिसता हांगा आतां कंट्रोल जातलें म्हणून स्लिपरी जावचें ना पावसान
सी वी हॅव डन आवर बेस्ट स्पीड ब्रेकर देवूंक जाता म्हणजे 100% गॅरंटी आहा दॅट आय वील बी एबल टू कटेल तेश करून इलेक्शन जेवण वयतलें तें प्रोटेक्ट करूंक पडटलें कितें जाता ट्रक सोडटा आसतना कितें जाता यू कान स्टॉप इट इट इज अ नॅचरल प्रोसेस हो आमकां आनी द बेस्ट सोल्युशन इज आमी रोड डायवर्ट करूंक पडटा
Stay cool this summer with Daikin ACs and unbeatable offers at Solar Enterprises. Whether you're in Margao or Penjim, we've got the best deal on ACs and electronics just for you. Come visit us and grab our exclusive summer offers today. Don't wait, beat the heat with Solar Enterprises.
road pade ha this road is the only road going up to the with the garbage on top so all the truck all the wet leached or wet garbage jo tari ha illicit liquid ha it falls everything sakal padat hoita so every year we have this problem of all the water which is there of coming down and going on the road and people falling on the road now this area don't forget is in Margao constituency or rather Patarda and Margao constituency but not in Gurdwara constituency. Last time there was big noise about people from Gurdwara coming, they calling themselves so-called leaders, saying that I am responsible for all this. I don't want to name them, but it was me who took up the issue with municipality for the last 6 months to put up one trap here. So municipality put up one trap here. Still after putting one trap here, the water is still coming down. So I got one trap myself done and I told them you just construct, I will give you a trap and put another trap here. So whatever water that will be coming here will be going inside this drain and whatever, let us suppose something comes up because what happens, this is a climb. The moment there is a climb, the truck tends to bend like this and the wet garbage falls on the road. We are trying our best but I just want to say that coming and criticizing me doesn't help. This is not part of my constituency also. This is entire responsibility of Margao municipality as well as part of Fatorda. Because our garbage is not coming here. It is Margao and Fatorda garbage that is coming here. I don't know whether those fellows who were shouting on rooftops here saying that I am responsible is want to contest in Fatorda instead of Gurdwara. They think this is in Gurdwara. So I am reminding this is but in spite of that, because my people who are here are falling down, I have taken responsibility myself. I took upon the responsibility and along with my people here and I said we will construct a drain here. This was for the last 6 months I am after them. I have now done another one. So this time I hope it doesn't go. I have still told the municipality put some mud from here to here so that even if something overlaps, doesn't go right up there. Plus we are going to put one small speed breaker here because I have personally watched while going up, still it comes. These holes are too small. So it somehow comes up to here. So we have put another one. Let's hope this time we don't have this issue. Not leached, it's waste, wet waste, which is in the truck. Sometimes it comes because what happens? This is a slope. A slopache zatach. Can't help it. These are genuine problems. Or we have to divert this road and we have to take the road somewhere that side.
When you say that this falls under Margao, so Margao is responsibility because
No. See, take it that tank lagna thing. Tangiel lok asna, amge lok ita. Tangiel lok modgons loking hai na. So am ke त्रास जाता है. But amge lok whatever I'm responsible.
ते आता काम केला ते कोणी तुम्ही केला तुमच्या पैशांनी
ना हे म्युनिसिपालिटीन केला
ओके
तेही म्युनिसिपालिटीन केला बट ते हांवें दिला
वयल्यान कवर
हय तें हांवें दिलां कित्याक जाता तितू बेगीन जाय न्ही कित्याक पास पडपाचो आहा 2 दीस आनी 2 दिसांनी पास पडटलो हांव फर्स्ट ट्रेन जाश्टी पयलीं आय वॉज मॉनिटरींग काल पास पडत मग काल येयला आनी मॉनिटर केलां कित्याक इन केस तर पास पडलो काल थंयसर रातीस डायवर्ट केला ते रोडान वयतलें ताका लागून काल इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिलें म्युन्सिपालिटी बाबा उगडी मात घाल्या तें जाल्या राती कडेन सो वी आर फॉलोइंग
प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जातलो
पळय सॉल्व जायना जाल्यार नाजाल्यार हें कट करता आनी एक बुराक वाडयता हो एक बुराक वाडयत रावता दॅट इज ओन्ली ऑप्शन हो हिंग हाडपा मेळना जाल्यार तेजी वचपाना बट हो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करपाक जाय जाल्यार दिस टायम एडिशनल हें ब्रेक करता
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.